In section 3.3, we're going to build and prove that two lines are parallel by using the converse statements. So the corresponding angles converse states that if two lines are cut by a transversal so that the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So what that means is we're going to look at this first problem here that we have 3x plus 5 and we have 65 degrees. By rule, those are congruent. So we have 3x plus 5 is equal to 65 degrees. We want to go ahead and solve for x, so we're going to subtract 5. Subtract 5, we're going to get 3x is equal to 60. We're going to divide by 3. Divide by 3, we get x is equal to 60. Or 20, excuse me. X is equal to 20. Alright. So 20 is the value of x that will make that lines L and K parallel. So that means that both sides would be equal to 65. Alright, so our other converses. So if the corresponding or alternate interior angles are congruent, then that means that the line is parallel. If the alternate interior angles have the same measure, that means they're parallel. If the consecutive interior angles add up to 180 degrees or are supplementary, then the lines would be parallel. So let's look at a proof for this one. We want to prove the alternate interior angles theorem. So again, I'm going to give myself more room, maybe not. Statements and reasons. Okay, we know first off, it is given that angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. Is congruent to angle 5. That was given. From that, we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. How do we know that? They are vertical angles. Likewise, we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 5. Because of corresponding angles. And because of that, we do know that G is parallel to H, and that is the corresponding angle's converse. So we had to prove that 1 and 5 were congruent to get that converse. This is just a problem to think about. So the transitive property, if one line is parallel to another, say P is parallel to Q, and Q is parallel to R, P is parallel to R. Just like you to think about this problem, the flag of the United States has 13 alternating red and white stripes. Each stripe is parallel to the stripe immediately below it. Explain why the top stripe is parallel to the bottom stripe. So you could go through and you could say that stripe 1 is parallel to stripe 2 because of the given. Then you could say that stripe 2 is parallel to stripe 3 and just keep going. But you can use just the transitive properties. Say that stripe 1 is parallel to stripe 13. I believe this assignment you're going to be using, actually you're going to do this one, will be a paper assignment. It's just going to be using the different converses to find x values that make things true. So remember which ones are congruent, meaning the two values would be equal, and which ones are supplementary, which means they would add up to 180, and that should help you complete the assignment.